Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Kristina and I'm really glad to see you here today. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next videos. And if you'd like to explore something a bit more personal, the link is available both in the description and in my bio. Today I'm taking a quiet moment to refresh the mirror in the hallway. It's a simple routine, but I love how even small moments like this can bring so much clarity into the space. When the mirror feels clean, the whole room feels brighter, softer, and more balanced. I enjoy these calm cleaning moments. There's something peaceful about focusing on one small area and watching the atmosphere shift little by little. It's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about giving a bit of attention to the details that surround you every day. The hallway is often the first place you see when you walk into the home, and I think keeping it fresh makes a difference. It brings a sense of order and a quiet kind of comfort. Just a few minutes like this can reset how the whole space feels. Thank you for spending this calm moment with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember that the link for extra content is in the description and also in my bio. See you in the next video.